While attractiveness is subjective and can vary from person to person, here are some general tips that may help enhance your overall appearance and boost your self-confidence. Good personal hygiene. Maintain regular grooming habits such as showering daily, keeping your hair clean and well-styled. Trim and shape your facial hair if applicable. 2. Dress well. Wear clothes that fit you properly and suit your body type and personal style. Choose outfits that are clean, stylish, and appropriate for the occasion. Pay attention to details like accessories, shoes, and overall presentation. 3. Exercise and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity can improve your physique, boost your energy levels, and enhance your overall well-being. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and stick to it. Additionally, eat a balanced diet, drink plenty of water, and get sufficient sleep for a fresh and energetic appearance. Confidence is key. Work on building your self-confidence. This can be achieved by setting goals, focusing on your strengths, and practicing self-care. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and make eye contact when engaging with others. Cultivate a positive mindset and believe in your own worth. Develop good communication skills. Being able to hold engaging conversations, actively listening to others, and expressing yourself clearly can make you more attractive to others. Practice effective communication skills and work on being a good listener. Develop your personal interests. Pursue hobbies and interests that you genuinely enjoy. This will not only make you more interesting to others, but also boost your self-confidence and provide opportunities to meet new people. Be kind and respectful. Treat others with kindness and respect. Show genuine interest in getting to know people and be mindful of their feelings. Being compassionate and empathetic can make you more appealing and approachable. Remember, true attractiveness goes beyond physical appearance and encompasses qualities like kindness, confidence, and a positive attitude. Focus on being the best version of yourself and embracing your unique qualities.